Check your dams over there. In fact, the whole world needs to check their dams. Everywhere in the world, tell your leaders to check their dams.
Much of Mipe area in eastern Ghana is underwater. Heavy rains in the Volta River basin forcing thousands of people from their homes. That's after managers of the state electricity company ordered excess water from its 2 dams to be spilled to prevent them from busting their banks. The effect on neighboring communities is devastating. Officials from the Volta River Authority have had to spill excess water before, but the flooding now is one of the worst in many years.
I managed to move my sick brother to safety. The water came with so much force and speed, I couldn't take much of anything. I had some money which is in the house, but I can't find it.
Ghana is facing severe flooding that has left more than 25,000 persons homeless. The lower Volta basin in the country is grappling with the dire situation, which followed the release of excess water from the Akosombo and Kwong Dam. Resilient residents are battling with the fury of nature and the deluge caused by man-made actions, with their existence hanging in the balance.
Ghana received unusually heavy rains this year, with experts blaming climate change for the extreme weather. In May, Ghana's meteorological agency warned that the country could experience erratic patterns, but nobody was expecting this.
This happens every year, extending to our gate here, and lasting 3 days. However, the level of this current one is unprecedented.
Officials say the excess rainfall meant more water collected in the 2 hydro dams along Volta Lake than unusual, and they were forced to release the excess water to prevent the dams from collapsing and causing even more widespread damage. More than 26,000 people lost their homes and farms.
Hospitals, morgues, schools, banks and marketplaces are underwater across 6 districts.
The spillage was primarily caused by recent heavy rains.
The spillage, which appears to have no end in sight, is to protect the dams from collapse.
The spilling may continue, even though they are anticipating that the levels may drop down to the phase 1. And to safeguard this dam, it means that we have to spill water.